So Eric, no, normally I would ask you to find the number 23, but seeing as that's a little easy, can you go ahead and just find us the number 50 behind these doors, or really these yellow lockers? 8s, nope. 42, nope. OK, pretty good. That's 3 out of 7. So how would you get it so quickly?
I guessed.
OK, so he guessed. Is that the best algorithm that Eric could have used here?
Probably not.
Well, I don't know. Yes? No? Yeah. Why? Why yes? He has no other information. So yes, like that was the best you can do. But let me give you a little more information. You can stay here. And let me go ahead and reload the screen here. And let me go ahead and pull up a different set of doors. And now suppose that, much like the phone book and much like the phones are sorted, now these doors are sorted. And find us the number 50. OK. All right. So good. What did you do that time?
Well, I checked the first one, and if it was 50 is 116, so just.
Right. So you jumped to the middle of to the middle initially, and then to the right half, and then technically, so we're technically off by 1, right? Because like binary search would have gone to the middle of the. That's OK, but very well done to Eric. Here, let me at least reinforce this with a stress ball. So, thank you. Very well done.